Hello everyone, this is Teacher Karen. So ang lesson natin ngayon is all about how to convert fraction to decimals. So first, we will define what is rational number. Rational number, it is any number that can be written in the form a over b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. Under rational number, we have fraction. Fraction is a number in the form a over b, also means a divided by b, where a is the numerator and b is the denominator. So kapag nakakita kayo ng fraction, automatic that is division. And then yung nasa itaas, that is the numerator, and yung nasa ibaba, that is the denominator. In fraction, we have proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed numbers. Proper fraction, if a and b are both positive, or a is less than b, ang numerator ay mas mababa kaysa sa denominator. For example, 2 over 5. Another example is 1/3, 1/2, 1/4. That is proper fraction. Improper fraction is a is greater than b, meaning numerator is greater than denominator. For example, 5 over 2. So 5 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Next, we have mixed numbers. A whole number with fraction. For example, 4 and 1/3. 4 is the whole number and 1/3 is the fraction. Under also in rational number, we have decimals. Decimals written with decimal point. Example, 1.45, 1.2333. Kapag nakakita kayo ng tatlong dot, meaning that is ellipsis, meaning continuous or tuloy-tuloy. Under ng decimals, we have terminating decimals and repeating decimals. Terminating decimals, it is exact representation of fraction. While repeating decimals, a decimal in which a pattern of digits repeats itself indefinitely. So, kapag sinabing terminating decimals, limited lang siya, hanggang dun lang, stop. Pero pag repeating decimals, continue siya. Lalo na kung may nakalagay na siyang ellipsis. So, paulit-ulit lang yung numbers. Hindi na siya matatapos. So, that is forever. Next, how to convert fraction to decimal. Divide the numerator by the denominator. For example, -5 over 8. So this fraction, we will convert it into decimal. Meaning that is -5 divided by 8. So we have here, the numerator is yung nasa loob, and then denominator yung nasa labas. 5 divided by 8 cannot be. So we put 0 there. And then, 0 times 8 is 0. And then, we will add 0 again here. Then, 50 divided by 8, that will be 6. 6 times 8 is 48. So, 50 minus 48 is equal to 2. Then, add another 0. Then, it will become 20. 20 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8, 16. So, 20 minus 16 is 4. And then, bring down again 0. Then, 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Then, 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Then, 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. So, the final answer is 0.625. Because if there is negative and there is positive, so unlike sign sila, kaya the final answer is negative. Next. 8 and 23 over 40, that is mixed numbers. So, meaning 8 plus 23 divided by 40 is equal to 8.575. So, meaning, we will divide only 23 and 40. So, 23 divided by 40 cannot be, so we will put there 0. Then, mag-a-add tayo ng another 0 here. So, magiging 230 divided by 40, that is 5. 5 times 40 is 200. So, 230 minus 200 is equal to 30. Then, bring down 0. And then, 300 divided by 40 is 7. 7 times 40 is 280. 300 minus 280 is 20. Bring down again 0. Then, 200 divided by 40 is equal to 5. 5 times 40 is 200. So, 200 minus 200 is equal to 0. So, the final answer is 8.575. Next. Number 3. Negative 3, another mixed number. And 4 over 11 is equal to what decimal point? So, the answer is negative 36, negative 36, 36, negative 3.3636. So, paulit-ulit lang yung 36. Pwede nyo siyang isulat as may ellipsis, ibig sabihin tuloy-tuloy siya na paulit-ulit. And then, pwede rin siya yung may bar sa ibabaw. So, negative 3.36 na may bar sa ibabaw. So, meaning yung naka-bar, yan yung paulit-ulit. So, paano yan nakuha? So, si negative 3, as a whole number, hiwalay siya. I-add natin yung pinag-divide na 4 divided by 11. So, 4 divided by 11 cannot be, kaya naglagay ulit tayo ng 0 doon. So, another 0. And then 40 divided by divided by 11, that is 3. 3 times 11 is negative. 3 times 11, that is 33. So 40 minus 33 is equal to 7. Then bring down again 0. 70 divided by 11 is equal to 6. Then 6 times 11 is 66. 70 minus 66 is 40. Again. And then 40 divided by 11 is 3. 3 times 11 is 33. 40 minus 33, 7. So, again and again and again. Meaning, 36 is the repeating decimal number. So, kaya siya yung nilagyan ng dot, ng hyphen dun sa ibabaw, bar. And then, pwede rin siyang isulat ng may tatlong dot, meaning ellipsis. Next. So, this will be your final answer. Since may negative siya, so nilagyan lang siya din ng negative. Next. 59 over 22. So, 59 divided by 22. So, 59 divided by 22. So, yung 59 siya yung nasa loob, then yung 22 yung nasa labas. So, 59 divided by 22 is 2. 2 times 22 is 44. 59 minus 44 is 15. Then bring down again 0. And then 150 divided by 22 is equal to 6. Put the decimal point here. And then 6. And then we will add zeros. So 6 divided by times 22 is 132. So 150 minus 132 is 18. Then bring down again 0. 180 divided by 22 is 8. 8 times 22 is 176. So 180 minus 176 is 4. Then bring down again 0. 40 divided by 22 is 1. 1 times 22 is 22. 40 minus 22 is equal to 18. Then 18, bring down 0. Then 180 divided by 22, that is 8. 8 times 22 is 176. Then 180 minus 176 is 4 again. So, paulit-ulit na lang siya. So, meaning, this is the repeating decimal. So, the final answer is positive 2.6818181. So, paulit-ulit lang yung 81. So, yun lalagyan natin ng bar sa ibabaw. Meaning, these numbers is repeating decimals. So, this is the final answer. Next. So fractions to decimals. So number 1, 17, convert 17 over 2 to decimal. So first one, we will divide 17 to 2. So 17 divided by 2, that is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we will subtract 17 minus 16 is equal to 1. And then 1 divided by 2 cannot be. So we will add 0. So before we add the 0, we will add the decimal point. And then 0. Then bring down 0. 1, it will become 10. So 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Then 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then bring down again 0. So nothing follows. So pag 0 na yung nasa ilalim, automatic this will be your final answer. So the final answer is 8.5. Number 2. So 7 over 8. Convert 7 over 8. So we will divide 7 to 8. So cannot be. So we will put 0 here, and then 0 times 8 is equal to 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. So we will add the decimal point, then 0. Then bring down 0. So 7, it will become 70. 70 divided by 8, that is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 70 minus 64 is 6. 6 cannot be, so we will add again 0. Then 60 divided by 8, that is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. So 60 minus 56 is equal to 4. So 4 divided by 8 cannot be. We will add again 0. Then bring down 0. 4, it will become 40. So 40 divided by 8, that is 5. 5 times 8, that is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So the final answer is 0.75. 0.875. Next, number 3. 21 over negative 5, or negative 21 over 5. So 21 divided by 5. So 21 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So 21 minus 20 is 1. 1 divided by 5 cannot be. So we will add decimal point, then 0. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Since may negative siya, so the final answer is negative 4.2. The next one is 4 over 9. So we will divide 4 and 9. 4 and 9, 4 divided by 9 cannot be, so we will put 0. And then we will put again the decimal point and then 0. So 4, it will become 40. 40 divided by 9 is equal to 4. 4 times 9 is 36. So 40 minus 36 is equal to 4. And then add again another 4. 40 again, then again and again, and again and again. So that is repeating decimals. So the answer is 0.4444 and then tatlong dot, that is ellipsis, or pwede rin siyang 0 point, tapos 4 na may hyphen na line sa ibabaw. Usually, pwede nyo siyang isulat ng tatlong ulit. Pag dalawa naman, pwede siyang dalawang beses na ulit, then tatlong dot. And then we have negative 32 over 15. So 32 divided by 15, disregard muna natin yung sign, gagamitin na lang natin siya dito sa final answer. So 32 divided by 15 is equal to 2. 2 times 15 is 30. 32 minus 30 is equal to 2. So 2 divided by 15 cannot be. So we will add decimal point again and then 0. 20 divided by 15 is equal to 1. 1 times 15 is 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. Then bring down 0. 50 divided by 15, that is 3. 3 times 15. 3 times 15 is 45. So 50 minus 45 is equal to 5. Then bring down again 0. 50 divided by 15 is 3. 3 times 15 is 45. 50 minus 45 is 5. So repeating decimals. So the answer is negative. Bakit naging negative? Kasi may negative dito. So, yung answer niya is also negative. Negative 2.1 and then 333. Tatlong dot. That is the final answer. Next. 9 over 16. So, 9 divided by 16, that is cannot be. So, we will add 0. Then, we will add decimal point and 0. 90 divided by 16, that is 5. 5 times 16 is 80. 90 minus 80 is equal to 10. Then, add another 0. Then, bring down 0. 100 divided by 16 is 6. 6 times 16 is 96. So 100 minus 96 is 4. Bring down again 0. 40 divided by 16, that is 2. 2 times 16 is 32. 40 minus 32 is 8. Then bring down again 0. 80 divided by 16, that is 5. 5 times 16 is 80. 80 minus 80 is equal to 0. So the final answer is 0.5625. Next, number 7. We have mixed numbers. So we will divide only the 5 and over 33, the fraction only. So yung whole number, i-add na lang natin siya. So 5 divided by 33. So 0. And then we will add decimal point and then 0. Bring down 0. So 5, it will become 50. 50 divided by 33 is 1. 1 times 33 is 33. So 50 minus 33 is 17. Then add again 0. Then bring down 0. 170 divided by 33 is 5. 5 times 33 is 165. And then 170 minus 165 is 5. And bring down again 0. 50 divided by 33 is 1. And then 1 times 33 is 33 over 17. Then bring down 0. 170 divided by 33 is 5. 5 times 33 is 165. And then, paulit-ulit na lang siya. So, meaning, that is repeating decimals. So, the final answer is, since may 2 tayo doon, so lalagay natin yung 2 doon, point, and then yung sagot nyo dito, so, pwede nyo isulat yung tatlong 15 na ganyan, and then, tatlong dot. Yun. Number 8. Another mixed number, but this time is negative. So, yung negative 4, i-disregard natin yung 1/4 ang ating ipo-convert into decimal. So, 1 divided by 4 cannot be. Then, we will add another decimal point, and then 0. 10 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 20. Add again 0, then bring down 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20, 0. So, yung negative 4, ilalagay lang din po natin doon. Then, idadagdag natin yung 0.25. So, that is the final answer. Negative 4.25. Another one, we have 13 over 1,000. So, we will divide 13 into 1,000. Cannot be. And then 13, then add decimal point, then 0. Cannot be again, then 0 again. And then, another 0. Add ulit. So, 1,300. So, the answer is 1. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. Over 1,300 minus 1,000 is 300. Then add another 0. And then bring down again 0. That is 3,000. Then 3,000 divided by 1,000, that's 3. Then 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. So 3,000 minus 3,000 is 0. So the answer is 0.013. Okay, let us recall. So how do we convert fraction to decimal? We will divide the numerator by the denominator. For example, 1/4. So 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So 1 divided by 4. So 1 divided by 4 cannot be. So we will add 0 here, and then we will add the decimal point, and then yung another add 0. Then 10 divided by 4, that is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then bring down again 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 minus 20 is 0. So the equivalent of 1/4 is 0.25. So that is our lesson for today. So conversion of fraction to decimal. We simply divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, see you again next time. God bless and thank you.